The iPhone 17 Pro is only months away, and leaks have revealed major design and hardware changes. Should you skip the iPhone 16 Pro and wait? Let's break down the 10 biggest upgrades coming to the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple is switching things up with a rectangular camera island instead of the familiar triangular setup. This redesign is meant to improve spatial video capture, but has divided opinions. Leaks show the iPhone 17 Pro featuring a glass section around the logo, with a metal chassis for durability and aesthetics. Some love it, others hate it. To keep the phone lighter and more matte, Apple is swapping out titanium for aluminum. While it won't be as durable, it improves handling and weight distribution. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to increase in thickness, hinting at a larger battery for longer life, a much-needed upgrade for power users. Apple is finally adding anti-reflective coating to its Pro models, reducing glare and making the display more scratch-resistant, just like Samsung's flagship screens. A new 48MP telephoto lens will replace the current 12MP sensor, delivering 10x lossless zoom and improved low-light performance. The front camera is getting a huge resolution bump to 24 megapixels, with improved low-light and AI enhancements for sharper selfies and better video calls. Built on TSMC's N3P process, the A19 Pro chip will deliver better performance and efficiency, and a new vapor cooling system should help reduce throttling. Charge your AirPods, Apple Watch, or even another iPhone on the back of the 17 Pro with 7.5W reverse wireless charging. Apple is bumping up wired charging speeds from 30W to 35W, making refuels a little quicker, though still nowhere near the insane speeds of Android competitors. Apple is ditching Qualcomm's Wi-Fi chips and introducing its own Wi-Fi 7 modem for better speed and efficiency. With a new design, upgraded cameras, bigger battery, and faster chip, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a game changer. But is it worth waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more exclusive iPhone 17 Pro updates.